Alright, I went parts hunting to see what I had in stock. Don't have a lot of knucklehead stuff. Alright, I got a set of case races, idler shafts, snap rings and washers, gaskets. Here's those real thin gaskets here. And I got regular gaskets here. Some of these are old, some are new. I got cam cover gaskets here. So these are the later high ones. I'm not sure what this motor actually takes. Looks like it takes a late one, or early one I mean. Figures. There you go. This one's broken. Too many years of moving it. Makes no difference, so it's not the right one. This is your panhead gasket, which is your late gasket, post-war. And you can see I put the hole for an early gasket, pre-war. Wonderful. That was stupid. And this one here looks the same. So it looks like James is wrong on their gasket fitment. It looks like you have panhead gaskets and you have knucklehead gaskets. Not the same. Because this is a 47 repop case and that's a 46 original case. And this gasket is panhead. So, get to go re-identify my gaskets. Okay, let's go back up. I have the other ones though. Alright, I went and grabbed a couple distributors. I forgot he had a distributor issue. So he said the distributor did not rotate very well. So these are genuine Harley gear. And this is reproduction gear. He said the teeth were ground way down. Looked like stock height to me. I do not like these distributors at all. These are garbage. So you can already see it's bound up. It doesn't rotate, see? There, went in there that time. Yep, still binds. Okay, so it's all the way down in there. Kind of rotates, but not very happy about it. There, it freed up a little bit. But there, it's right at the very bottom too. It's weird. I don't have the gasket in there, but that doesn't matter. This late distributor doesn't even take a gasket. Okay. So it's in so deep, it's right up against the washer in there. But even when you back it up, it doesn't work. Oh, look at this here. Oh, that's what was done. It was ground way undersized. Oh yeah. Oh, that's precision. Oh yeah, that is nice. Oh yeah, that's screwed up. Okay, now if you take an original part, a screwed up part, works a little bit better. Not sure if it's really any better at all, but let's try that again. You know, this one won't even go in, so that's, there we go. Yeah, it's a little better, but yeah, not happy. Okay, garbage. Okay, these are dual point distributors. These are 60, what's dual point? Dual point is it 60 or 60 when they did dual point? I think 61 is dual point. 61 to 64. Could be 60, but I think 61. Okay, this one here is a pretty clean gear. This one here is a little dirtier. These are original. This one looks the most original because it's never been plated or had anything done to it. Oh, it doesn't wobble like that other one. Look at that. Imagine that. Harley parts. Not happy. Not a happy camper. Yeah, that is not a good sign. Yeah, that's bad. Okay. So, that is very, very bad. Okay, now this doesn't even turn. Yes, it does turn. Different spot. Try it again. See how deep it is in there. It's right on top of the damn thing. It should not be in there that deep. It's definitely not happy. Okay. Harley parts do not fit. Aftermarket parts rarely fit when Harley parts don't fit. It's not even remotely going to go in there. Okay, so we have massive alignment issues. That is going to be a pain to fix. Okay, let's try number 2 original. Nice and free. Looks good. It's just in there so damn deep. See, it shouldn't be in there that deep. It should only be in there that deep. So we need about a 16th or 100th thou gasket there. Yeah. Okay, repop. Went in slightly easier, but no go. Pull teeth out a little bit. Nope. No go. Next one. No go. No go. Okay, so we have big time problems. So, Technical, whatever, German cases suck. Doesn't fit. Machine wrong. The center lines are not in the right spot. So I don't know if this is off or this is off. All I know is it's off. So until I put all these parts in here to see the fitment of them, camshaft. Oh, I don't have the cam. This comes off the idler. Or this comes off the crank, which I don't have in here. Okay, the clearance is not too much there. Probably about normal. Harley parts. Harley parts. Slightly looser. A little tighter. Yeah. Only a couple thou difference, but they are. Oh, definitely got clearance. You got clearance, man. Definitely looser. It doesn't matter. That doesn't fit. Fits until you go in there. Then it hits. Once you engage, it doesn't work no more. So if all of this lines up with the crank all together, the quick fix is going to be to offset bore this hole over a little bit to make it fit, or come at an angle here and punch this thing at an angle like that, going like that. None of that should be done. And I don't know if it's straight now. It might not be straight now. I don't know. You have to put it in the milling machine, square up the case, and then see if this hole is on. It's going straight down or if it's cocked in too far in. The best way is to move it over a little bit, but then you have to slot the holes because everything will be off. How far are we off? Don't know. Something's wrong. Alright, I used to have a Harley case floating around here, but they are all hidden. Some I might have a couple upstairs buried. Alright, tomorrow I'll figure that out. This one I got to put circuit breaker shafts into, so when I put shafts in there I can check that. I can check all this with that motor and see what the issue is. Is the issue in the gears, or most likely over here in the case. I'm going to go with the case because the Harley gears don't work either. So obviously there's a major issue that has to be dealt with. Wonderful. Nothing like playing with stuff that should never be played with. Alright, well, we'll figure that out. Meantime, anybody want a nice crappy distributor, I'm sure he'll sell this cheap. It's slightly loose. It's made custom to fit stupid knucklehead replacement cases. But not very well. Alright, that's it for tonight on this stuff.